Discover this year's opening theme study with American Education International, AEI, The Brain and Beyond, Exploring the Inner Self Through Psychology. Starting September 6th, this exciting 4-week unit is designed for ages 10 through 18. Join us as we dive into brain science, personality traits, and emotional intelligence. Your child will gain valuable insights into how the brain influences emotions, develop essential relationship skills, and learn strategies for resilience and emotional regulation. At AEI, with locations in Tampa and South Florida, we're committed to providing engaging and hands-on learning experiences. Enroll now using the link below to secure a spot in this transformative study. Plus, we accept Step Up for Student scholarships to make this opportunity accessible. Ready to empower your child with the brain and beyond? Visit American Education International.com or find the link in the description to enroll today and take advantage of this incredible opportunity. Join AEI on this exciting journey and watch your child's curiosity and confidence soar. All subjects will be taught within this focused theme program, ensuring a comprehensive and immersive learning experience.